To use magic media on Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use magic media on your Canva site or your Canva designs. So it is going to be a feature on Canva that you can, or it will allow you to use image generation into your Canva designs. So we're going to head over one of the designs that we have. For example, I would like to choose this one. So here you can see that we have something just like that, and it is going to be having the designs or the tables, the specific dimensions and etc. Now the magic media is going to be onto the apps. So you're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on apps, search within Canva apps to magic media. We're going to click on magic media, and we're going to have three types of specific media. We have the images, we have graphics and videos. All of the three types are going to be fully generated. For the image, you can go ahead and see some examples, but for graphics, it is going to be up to you, and also the videos. You can go ahead and describe what do you mean or what do you need. Select the styles that you want, and also you can go ahead and have the square, either a square landscape or the portrait as a layout. So I would like to head over this space and click on generate for me a cat wearing Batman suit in Gotham City with the light of Batman, for example, in the sky. Not Gotham, basically New York. So we can go ahead and choose up the style, for example, and I would like to have the animated one. And we're going to generate the image. Wait for it. It doesn't meet our policies, so we're not going to be having this. Batman. So we're going to, unfortunately, we're going to delete that. Wearing suit in the sky. So we're going to try to generate this. It is going to take a little bit of time, but it is okay. This process is going to be for the same or the same in all of the specific, as you can see here, items or types. We have graphics, videos. It is going to be the same. So this is, they have given us, as you can see, 4 examples, and this is one of them. Look how cool it is. So what do you think? I'm going to put 2 images at least. This and one like that. So cool, right? And this is how you are going to use magic media. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.